Hey guys, so I bought a new phone. This is the Honor 10 from Huawei. First decent phone that I've seen this month pretty much, so I wanted to check it out here. It is coming with a notch design, and that does annoy me quite a lot because I do like, individual design, but I've been quite a fan of the Honor phones over the years. They give good value for money. This one's coming, I think, with Kirin 970. Premium design, as well as I think 4 gigs or 6 gigs of RAM, something like that. So yeah, let's get it open here. You can get these for about €400, depending on where you get it from. Could be a good alternative to the P20, which is quite expensive in comparison. You're getting 24 megapixel cameras here, AI camera, which sounds pretty cool. Oh, so that looks very nice and shiny at the back, as you can see. And you do have the iPhone 10 look on the front. I mean, it's not terrible, but I do like a more distinctive look for Android phones. The back does look nice, I gotta say, similar to the last one, Honor 9 and the Honor 8. So let's have a look what else you get in the box here. Put that to the side. I think this is going to compete pretty well actually with the OnePlus 6, which I think you can get for 50 more, depending on the storage. You're getting a case here, which, as you can see, is a decent one. That's just the paper inside. You're getting a charger, so I'm guessing this is Huawei's quick charge. And also you are getting the Type-C cable. So no headphones or earphones here, but I think if you're in the UK you can get some earphones with it if you get it from Carphone. So do be quick. We'll just get this back off. And yeah, very premium handset. You can't really criticize Huawei when it comes to premium. They're definitely leagues ahead of some other manufacturers in this regard. Let's just get the front off here, or maybe I can't 'cause I don't have any nails at the moment. So we'll try and get it off in a minute. Just power it up here. Oh, iPhone 10, that's what I'm thinking. I'm probably going to think this with a lot of these phones. I think the G7, OnePlus 6, yeah, OnePlus 6, that's what we're on. P20 Pro. I think they're all coming with this design now. I just don't understand it. It's like, it's not even, it doesn't have any purpose, really. I think some phones allow you to hide it though. So you can see this is the setup process. And we just quickly agree all this. We'll connect later. Turn off the creepy stuff, and in we go. Skip. Good stuff. So this is the device here. As you can see, this is the interface, which looks very EMUI straight away. And the screen does look very nice here, very high quality. I don't think it's AMOLED, but it's always been pretty good. A little bit dim on the last models as I remember, but this is in sunlight here, and you can see it looks pretty damn legible, if you ask me. But you know, we'll have to see. Let's have a look at the Android system update. So you have 8.1 and about phone Android 8.1 here, Oreo. So that I think is pretty much the latest official, which is nice to see. So look at the themes here. Yes, squeeze to do that. You can see we have a nice green one here and some new ones here. Look at that. That looks very iPhone. They're going all out here, gotta say. That looks pretty nice. We'll keep that one. And we can have a look as well at the camera, which I think, as I said, is coming with an interesting megapixel. Yeah, I don't want that. So yeah, you can see it's got everything that you know and love from Huawei phones: monochrome, your bokeh mode, your quick launch kind of thing, AI as well, something here. Brings out the colour apparently. Let's just give that a try. Yeah, you see, that's why I'm not really that sold on AI, you know, at the end of the day. Maybe that was just a miss shot. Let's try that again. So that was nicer, but I can't really see that much difference from the first one. Maybe the colours are a little bit more shot. Well, you can definitely see I think the colours are a little bit punchier. But I'll probably take it out just to test that a little bit more. So you have your portrait mode, as you can see, video mode, and we can just have a look at the settings here. So you get 4K, as you can see, Full HD plus, very nice. Efficiency, whatever that is. And more as well, as you can see. Very fully featured camera here. Not quite as good as what you're going to get on the P20 Pro. Well, not everyone can afford that, and I think most people will be happy with what they're getting here. So yeah, just a quick little video here of Honor 10. I will be doing some videos with this one compared with some other phones which look quite similar. In fact, they all look similar nowadays. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.